Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a makeup video. Most people are in quarantine. My county is actually like on a full shelter in place for 3 weeks. So yeah, I'm working from home right now. I'm currently on my lunch break, so I was like, hey, let's film a makeup video. So I'm going to be doing a full face using e.l.f. products. I went to Target last week, and while everyone was fighting over toilet paper, I was like, hey, let's go look at the makeup. So I got the matte putty primer. I also got the Flawless Finish foundation. This is an oil-free satin finish, and I got it in the color Nutmeg Deep with peachy undertones. I also got the hydrating camo concealer in the color Deep Olive, and this is a full coverage satin concealer. I got the Halo Glow setting powder. This is in the color Deep, sets makeup and creates a soft focus blurred finish. And then lastly, I got this liquid glitter eyeshadow in the color Flirty Bird. Alright, so I did my eyebrows off camera, so I'm gonna start with the primer. And I kind of cheated. I actually tried this last week. It's described as a putty, but it doesn't really feel like a putty to me. It's just like a thick, creamy consistency. And so it says to apply a thin, even amount to a clean, moisturized skin prior to makeup application. Allowed to set for 30 seconds before applying foundation. So my face is already clean and moisturized, so I'm just going to, I don't know if I'm supposed to like pat it on or rub it in. And so it says to wait 30 seconds before applying foundation. So now I'm gonna go in with the Flawless Finish foundation. Again, this is in the color Nutmeg. Hopefully the color matches. It looks pretty similar to other foundations that I use. This foundation definitely has like a fragrant smell. It kind of smells like baby powder. So far though, it's like a perfect match. I really like the finish on this foundation, and you get decent coverage. This is my face just with foundation. And so I'm gonna go in with hydrating camo concealer. It looks really kind of orange in person, so we'll see how it looks on my skin. So I'm just going to take another sponge. This sponge is actually from e.l.f. and I'm just going to blend out that concealer. So far I don't really care for this concealer color. It's really orangey. Like, I don't know if my camera is picking it up, but it looks really orange like in my mirror. So this is the concealer that I've been using from Juvia's Place, and then this is the e.l.f. concealer. So yeah. Now this can be a little on the light side for me, but I like it if I'm going for a really highlighted look. But this is like way darker and deeper. It has a different undertone, as you can see. Like, yeah, I'm not feeling this concealer. It looks a mess. I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place concealer and just go over that e.l.f. And now I'm gonna set my face. Well, I'm gonna set my highlighted areas. I'm not gonna be using the e.l.f. product. I'm using my Morphe Banana Rich setting powder. Since I only picked up like one eye product from e.l.f., I'm just going to do something really simple. So I'm going to go into my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to use a mixture of Puree and Summer Yum. So these two. right here. I'm just going to blow that out all over my eyelid. Now I'm gonna go in with the glitter, the liquid glitter eyeshadow. Again, this is in the color Flirty Birdie. I'm just gonna apply it just to the center of my eyelid. So for lashes, I'm using these wholesale lashes from AliExpress. These are E1s. So I got my lashes on, eyes are done. Now I'm gonna set the rest of my face, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder in the color Deep. So I don't usually use like loose powders to set my entire face. I mainly use loose powders just like for my under eyes, and just like my highlighted areas, so it should be fun. I'm just using a big fluffy brush. I'm gonna set my face. So now I'm just gonna finish off my face. I'm gonna do my lips. These are not e.l.f. products. And then I'm using this NYX lip gloss in the color Mason. It's like a taupey brown color. A good nude for deeper tones. And then I'm gonna go in with another NYX lip gloss in Shy. It's like a pale pink color, and I'm just gonna apply that to the center. So I'm all done. Originally when I brought these products, I wanted to do a wear test, but since I ain't going nowhere because I'm not supposed to be out. But here is the final look. I really like the foundation, and surprisingly I like the setting powder. It definitely gives you that soft blurred look that it claims it does. I was skeptical at first because of like the glitter reflex in it, but it's very subtle, and I really like the foundation. I'll definitely be using this. I like the finish, I like the coverage. It's very lightweight, not really thick. It doesn't really feel like I have on like foundation at all, honestly. So I really did like the setting powder and foundation. Now what I can live without is this concealer. So it's partially my fault, I got the wrong color, but even so, like, this concealer just did nothing for me. So I don't know, I might go get another, try it in another color, but it's not urgent. Eyeshadow topper, I think it's really pretty. The liquid, I like that, so I would definitely see myself using that. And then the primer, which I don't have in arm's reach right now. So the putty primer, it's okay. Like I said, I actually tried that before with some other makeup, and I feel like it didn't keep me super mad. It was just like very average. Like, it wasn't bad, but it was neither here nor there. I'll probably wear it like on natural days when I don't wear makeup, but I want to just put like a primer on my face so that my face doesn't look too greasy or oily. I can definitely see myself doing that. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You guys will definitely be seeing more content since I'll be in the house. So if you have any requests, anything that you would like to see, definitely let me know down below. I hope everyone's staying healthy, everyone's staying safe, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you all next video.